Isn't there a proper, decent structure? A proper way of doing it that can really help the poor? Unlike this style.
Zico is a journalist. He comments on doctrinal matters. Whatever gives Zico $1 is what he will publish. At best, he's a journalist. He's a journalist. 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 Journalist.
Hands kana chipostora chotaurwa nevakuru vekare terera. And I fully understand what to say Wicknel mupostori. And the chipostora vana vachakutaura neva. I'm joking. Do you still remember when Say Wicknel started giving out ma aqua, nema Benz, nema chi? That was really applauded. And at the moment, they are actually turning their backs on him. But Prophet Makandiwa vane advice yavakapa pakatotanga iyo nyaya idzi vane advice yavakapa muna February, and I'm going to give you the video. Vakati right, ini ndaimboita zvoti muchechi ndaitopa vanhu mari, chitambidzwa vanhu mari, vanhu who are at the point of need, but pane zvandakazoudzwa, and in the end, that is what I want you to watch in this video. Advice ya Prophet Makandiwa yavakapa havana kuti vari kupa Say Wicknel directly, but vaingotaurawo vachingotaurawo. Isu but angoti advice inogona kuitawo togona kungofoshorera, anoziva kuti muchechi unogona kufoshorerawo mushoko, but vatangovafoshorerawo. So you are going to watch this video and you tell me what you think about that. But before we do that, kana muchida mabhero maquality, bosi togona kusura taura nyaya dzana Wicknel, nyaya dzana Prophet Makandiwa, nyaya dzanani, vane zvinhu zvavo zvavakatoita. Isusuwo tinoita skillful kuti sangoswera taura nyaya kana kuswera tikomplaina, unokwanisa taka skillful tekutengesa mabhero. Ingada mabhero quality anodeliverwa pamba pako, and you pay manyama muri kungoona apa, Bata T&M Bells. Number yavo ndo iri pa screen. Vanodeliver everywhere nationwide. Sikavabate pa number which is showing on the screen, and you'll be good to go.
I've received advice from key people in my life. Do you know there was one time, pastors, I told you when we were having a seminar, I think it was about 2 years ago when we were having our pastor seminar, when I told you about an advice that I got from the former First Lady Grace Mugabe. We were in a seminar and I told pastors that I got an advice. It didn't happen 2 years ago. I told the pastors 2 years ago what she had, a message that she had sent through certain people to me before I even met her. A good thing that I had done. It was at the City Sports Center. I think it was during Christmas or something like that. And I came out and I was giving people money. I don't know if some of you can remember. I went to the overflow and I was making sure everyone receives money. Because to me, it had a spiritual significance. Are you following this? Yes. And she told me how terrible, how dangerous that was. In as much as it was a good thing for the people. I'm educating all of you. Isn't there a proper, decent structure? A proper way of doing it that can really help the poor? Unlike this style. And I listened, I took that advice, and I never did it again. Is she a prophetess? Is she a woman of God? Wasn't there wisdom in what she said? Though I never spoke to her, but it got to me. She knew how to approach and to thank me for the work that I was doing. But this style, why? It's somebody who might have walked that path before. You know the consequences of such acts. That's why I told you I don't always listen to preachers when I want to excel in life. Even you advise me. You think it's criticism. The next time you will see me improving. I will improve. That was an amazing wisdom. I thought about it. I said, how could I miss that? I'm a prophet. Yet I missed it. Only to be advised. This cannot really help. But look at the massive work that Mom is now doing. You can't compare that to what we were trying. I'm not saying everyone who is doing it, it's wrong. I'm just saying, she said that given my stature. Anyone else can do that, but not you. You are bigger than that. Idere wisdom.
It's the day for wisdom.